With 10,000 people retiring every day in the US alone, the skills gap only grows wider, especially in manufacturing. This dynamic only magnifies the challenges of building and sustaining a strong continuous improvement culture. We needed a solution to operationalize the practice of improvement to bring everyone along at a faster pace. We now have that solution. Introducing Remote Continuous Improvement Coaching with Impruver. Now you, the Kata coach, consultant, engineer, or operations leader, have the perfect tool to build and sustain a thriving continuous improvement culture for your clients or internal organization. No more spending hours or even days to reach the client site for check-ins. No more tedious report outs that consume valuable time for your coaching clients or teams to prepare. No more batching reviews and coaching sessions into weekly, monthly, or annual site visits. The old ways don't work for today's business environment. With Impruver, stay connected with your clients and teams in real time using mobile, tablet, or any other device with access to an internet browser. Help them develop an improvement plan in alignment with the organization's goals. Identify what's causing the gap between current and target condition. Develop the right metrics. Drive execution of action plans, share key learnings across their enterprise, and so much more. Continuous improvement shouldn't happen once a week, or month, or year. It needs to be happening every day. Transition from a project base to an ongoing engagement model, which helps to build the internal capability and problem-solving skills needed to overcome today's challenges and drive for superior business results. In fact, World Technology Ingredients drove a 97% increase in production output using the Impruver system. It starts with you. Visit Impruver.com today to learn more.